Hey guys, it's John and Morgan here, and we're here to decide whether or not this Amazon Astro is worth it to buy me this. Step one, here we are. Peel label, remove clip. Step two, peel label, remove clip. All right, here we go. Step three, lift top handle. Let's see this Amazon Astro. You can cut now. Alright, so all we got is a little classic Amazon pull tab here. Pull that out. Don't worry about my daughter in the background. We'll give her the box in a few minutes. We know what she really wants. Here we are, the full Astro unit. All right, so now I think it's time to charge it up and see if you should buy me this. Hey everybody, it's John back here at Buy Me This Tech. First off, we're here with the Amazon Astro, and it is looking beautiful under our Wii lights. Just gonna throw that out there. We are going to now take step number one and make sure that we get it plugged in and ready to go. It needs to charge a little bit. So standard adapter here. So all we have to do is plug this guy in. Plug it into the back of our unit. Super easy here. And it's actually got a cord wrap so that you can make sure it doesn't come out unexpectedly. So there we go. All right, now we've got our contacts sitting out. Let's get our Astro to charge. I think we're in. So when it gets all set up, it'll be charged in the amount of time that we're asleep, but first charge, I'm guessing, is going to be a couple hours, but we'll see. That was really deep bass, really loud. We're gonna shift everything here so that we can actually see what the Astro is telling us. Didn't know this was going to happen.
Okay, so on your phone, new device named John's fourth Astro. So apparently you've had 3 other ones I didn't know about before this. But it did just connect to your phone already, which I find very impressive.
Gotta love that about Amazon. Everything they send you is already linked to your account. You have nothing to do. It's already done.
Hey guys, Morgan here, the other of this duo. Wanted to show you a couple things to get started. Hi, my name is John. The Astro is registered to me. If that's you, select yes on your current billing information. So clearly you can order things, which obviously with your traditional Amazon Alexa based device, that makes sense. So I'm gonna click yes, that's me. All right, welcome to Astro. It uses Alexa to understand and respond to voice requests. It's a cloud-based voice service, clearly processes and retains audio, interactions, and other data in the cloud. Obviously continuing, it allows purchasing by voice, use your default payment, shipping, which of course you always want. Traditionally, from my perspective, half of all of my grocery lists are made on my devices and then order directly from there. I love then being able to go into the app and order from that perspective. So clearly that would be something I'd agree and continue on. I am not Chuck Norris, and I submitted Mountain Standard Time. All right, so it's continuing the updating. I also wanted to take a look and take over so that it wasn't just from the tech perspective to get to know it, understand it, and see how user-friendly it is. Meeting Astro, getting to know you. Okay, so they're saying about how long setup's gonna take. Meeting Astro is gonna take about 5 minutes. Getting to know you is gonna take about 15. Learning about your home, about 30. So I'm assuming it's going to pull a Roomba in concept for the last 30 minutes, just getting to know my house. It'll be really interesting when we make another video of our review on it, when I move furniture and how it responds relating to it. And we can see just based off the sensors down below how it's acting. Getting to know you, I'm assuming that's going to include the voice training that we traditionally do. We obviously will let you know all those aspects, but we'll get started with meeting Astro, which will take about 5 minutes. All right, brief video will highlight ways you can use your new device. I'm going to zoom in even further for you so that you can watch the video as I hit play. So we'll remove that.
Keep home closer with Astro. Here to help, whether you're home or away. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do with Astro after it gets to know you and your home. When you're away, Astro helps you stay in the know. You can use the Astro app to see a live view of each room and check in with those at home. You can also get alerts if Astro detects certain types of activity. When you're home, Astro helps you from room to room. It can bring calls and timers directly to you. Take a snack to the bedroom, or follow you with your favorite entertainment. As you listen to things like music, the screen will automatically turn to face you. Astro comes with Alexa, so when you ask it for the weather or the news, Alexa will respond. Astro can also move on its own to make sure it's always ready to help. Every now and then, it will even hang out near you, just in case you need it. And you don't have to think about the battery, because Astro recharges itself. Let's get started by welcoming Astro to your home and trying out some things together.
All right, guys, we picked it up, and now it's time to move the unit itself. So I've been picked up. Okay to move. Let's see what this thing does. Astro, dance. Now we've got Astro flip a coin. Tails. Perfect. Now we can decide where to go to dinner. What do you have next for us?
So my question would be, is how is it moving? How does it, because right now it's still the traditional just 10-inch display.
I have no idea. I guess we're going to find out. Let's go. All right, next step. Getting to know you, about 15 minutes. Thanks. Let's go. Let's watch our little video here.
By introducing Astro to yourself and the people who spend the most time in your home, you'll get a more personalized experience. Once you create a visual ID and voice ID, Astro can come find you when you ask, look for you to deliver reminders, and play the music you love. Visual IDs also help with home monitoring. If Astro detects someone it doesn't recognize, it can notify you through the app. Introductions only take a few minutes, and each person will be guided through a simple step-by-step process. You can manage your profiles and settings, or create a new profile at any time. To get started, enter or select your name on the next screen.
All right, here we go. Time to verify our account. Continue. My super secret password. I have no idea what my password is. Honey. Oh no, it's one of our like 25 character ones, isn't it?
Look to your right. Next, tilt your head down. Look to your left.
Now Astro will be able to recognize what you look like and come to you, deliver things, and distinguish you from someone it doesn't recognize when you use your home monitor.
If there are more people for Astro to meet, select yes.
Yes, there are. Come on up, Morgan.
Right now, if I zoom in a little bit for you, it's telling me that my battery is at 87%. Astro is now excited to join your household. So it wants you just to buy something. So if I didn't just buy the Astro. Live view, settings, voice. So we'll show you all about that. Learn how to do more with Astro Patrol. So we'll show you that one. Right now, as with
It
the
doesn't look like any smart alerts. Astro is now going to practice docking. You'll hear a sound when Astro is successfully on the charger. Please
okay.
stand at least 5 feet away.
Oh, you're going fast. This is so creepy. This is so cool.
Super quiet though. I could barely hear it as it moves. I'm actually very impressed with that. Astro, dance.